Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and today we're going to go over a stock market update as a whole. We're going to go over some stocks that are on fire right now, some price points to be looking at, and then we'll even go over cryptocurrency as a whole at the end. So make sure you stay towards the end if you want an update on cryptocurrency. I know you guys like when I do a full stock market update. I typically like to do those in the beginning of the week, so here we will do that. Now in the last month, we are up 10K, 22%. Last 3 months, we're up 42% or 16K. So we absolutely been killing it. We just took out an option on GE recently, and it flew up 45% in the first day. So DM me if you want to be on the wait list for my close friends group. So let's kind of go over everything. Now, Facebook had an antitrust lawsuit going on. They just beat that today, or was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. But they're up to $352. I also saw an article saying that Facebook can go up to $500 per share. Personally, I'm not going to be buying that high. I'm up 73% on Facebook. We took huge amounts of profits. I had thousands and thousands of dollars in Facebook at one point, but now that is up to $350 a share. I think that's a great selling point. Now, if you're a long-term subscriber of the channel, you know I'm very bullish on Facebook. I've been talking about Facebook forever, around $250 a share. I was telling you guys to load up, especially around $200 per share. Now, if Facebook can go under $300 a share, it's going to be in my wheelhouse to buy them again. And I think it's very possible for Facebook to go to under $300 per share. Now, Apple, a lot of people are talking about Apple, so let's do a quick update on Apple. Up 9% in the last month. I still like Apple under $125 per share. So that's definitely what I'm waiting for Apple under $125 a share. I think that Facebook can go down. I think that Apple can go down. So remember, I do not buy stocks that are at 52-week highs or at all-time highs because they definitely go back down. It just takes a little bit of time, okay? Amazon, basically same thing at an all-time high, waiting for it to go down to like $3,100 per share. XPEV is interesting. I'm waiting for it to go to under $40 per share, and then we can run a possible option on XPEV. I'm just being patient with XPEV because if we run an option and then it goes down, that can kill some momentum here. So we really want this under $40 per share to even think about running an option. After that, we have NEO. And NEO's back to $50 per share, guys. We're up big on NEO, 26%, over $250 per share. If you've been following the channel for a long time, you know how I feel about NEO. We've been selling a lot of NEO, sold over $1,000 of my NEO. So we had a lot bigger of a position at one point. But it's at that point, $50 per share, where you can start taking some profits if you got in around $30 or $40 per share. Now, I think that this one can go to $55 to $60 per share. It's just going to take a little bit of time. I also think it's possible for NEO to go under $40 per share again. So if you have some profits, it's probably a good idea to take NEO. If you've been following the channel for a while, you're probably up pretty good on NEO. After that, we have Tesla to 680, down about 1% today, but they're up almost 7% on the week. So Tesla is making a little bit of a comeback. You see a lot of people are short on Tesla right now. I have a feeling that it will be going under $600 again and maybe to $550. So if you did miss your chance with Tesla, there is still time in my opinion. And I have an average cost of $631. We're only up 7%. We have a pretty large position, $2,400 of market share. But I'm looking to average my cost down, so I'll probably only be buying Tesla under $600 per share and looking to sell above $750 per share on Tesla. Now, ChargePoint is up almost 10% on the week, 42% on the last month. This is a stock that we've made a lot of money on, up 47%. I've already sold a lot of my position off, as you guys can see here. I have a reoccurring daily buying also action going on, but you can see how much profits I've actually been taking on my ChargePoint position because I'm up over 47%. Now, I also have a Fidelity and a Webull account where I have an additional $2,000 of ChargePoint that I'm not touching at all for 2 to 4 years. So that's what's good. I like to have a few different accounts. My Robinhood accounts, I'm a little bit more hands-on, more swing trades, where my Fidelity and Webull is more of a long-term holding where I own a lot of ChargePoint. So we bought in under $25 per share. We were talking about it. Even if you're a recent subscriber of the channel, you probably even made money with me on ChargePoint. So congratulations. And obviously I'm taking good profits at $35 per share, but I think that it definitely will go up to $40 per share. And in the future, if you hold for long term, it will break new all-time highs, in my opinion. And TTCF up to $21 per share. I have $700 of market value. We've been taking some profits. As you can see right here, took around $1,000 of profits. We're only up 11%, but I have a very large position on my Fidelity account and my Webull account for long term. So I actually minimized some of my account on Robinhood. Okay, here you see Tattooed Chef is like a roller coaster. So it's a great one to swing trade. You buy closer to the support and sell closer to the resistance. So if you can buy under $20 per share and sell closer to $25 or $30 a share, you're going to be making a lot of money for Tattooed Chef. But honestly, this is a good one to just hold for long term, anywhere from 2 to 4 years with Tattooed Chef. And we have to talk about some cryptocurrencies because look at this, Ethereum Classic up 25%. So I hope you guys were buying during the downtrend. Under $40 is a great place to buy Ethereum Classic. Just wait for it to get a little bit lower, at least under $50. But in my opinion, now is even a good time to buy if you want to invest risky. Like if you're a little bit more of a risky investor, you can buy now, ride up the momentum, because I'm sure this will be an $80 stock again, or it can even go to $100 per share again. So it might take a little bit of time. Ethereum Classic is a little bit more high risk. It can definitely go back to $35 a share, and it can definitely go under $30 a share again. So don't use too much money on something like an Ethereum Classic, but it has been beaten down very, very significantly, down about 60-70% at one point too. So that one can be one to look into, to consider, to think about. Dogecoin also can be a good risky one to consider and think about. 26 cents per coin. And in my opinion, I'm going to be holding till around 40 cents to 50 cents. I think it's very possible for them to at least get to 40 cents again. And if you buy around 25 cents and sell at 40 cents, that can be a great little swing trade on Dogecoin. Now, Litecoin can be also a good swing trade. They're at a good point to buy, $145 per coin. And you can sell right around $200 per coin or $180 per coin. You will actually have a nice little swing trade right there. And that leaves us with Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Ethereum up to $2,100 per share. If you're a long-term investor, you probably want to pick up some Ethereum under $2,000 per coin and hold for long-term. I think that Ethereum will be $3,000 per coin, even $4,000 per coin again. It probably will just take a little bit more time, anywhere from 3 months to 12 months. Cryptocurrency is very hard to put a timeline on because sometimes it acts very slow, but other times it moves extremely fast and extremely rapid. As you can see, up 25% in one day on Ethereum Classic. And Bitcoin is the last one to talk about, down 38% in the last 3 months and even down more from all-time highs. If you're a long-term holder, now is a great time to keep dollar cost averaging in. If you're a fan of the channel and you follow it, I've been telling you guys the dollar cost average in since 38,000, and I was telling you guys to buy heavy under 30,000 per coin. Now, in my opinion, this will get to 50,000, 60,000 per coin again. Probably take 3 to 6 months. Might take a little bit of time. But if you're a long-term investor, heck, cryptocurrency is definitely one of the best ways, even though it is a little bit more risky. So keep that in mind. Now, I hope you guys did love that video. In the last year, we're also up 92%, by the way. So if you need a little bit more help and your graph doesn't really look like mine, in the last week, you're not up. Last month, you're not up. Last 3 months, last year, go ahead and reach out to me on DMs, and I'll be more than happy to help you out, send you over an application, and send you over my website so you can see exactly what you're going to be getting with the close friends list also. All right, guys, thanks for all the love and support. Make sure you smack a thumbs up on this video. Make sure it turns blue. Make sure you're subscribed on YouTube for these full-length videos. I just wanted to do a quick update for you guys today so you can actually see what's going on in the market and my thoughts exactly on the stock market. So I hope you guys appreciate me coming on here every single day making these videos for you. As long as you keep liking them, I will keep making them. Don't forget to share with a friend, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.